Next section, unemployment. Unemployment may be defined as a situation in which the person is capable of working both physically and mentally at the existing wage rate, but does not get a job to work. Unemployment means only involuntary unemployment, wherein a person who is willing to work at the existing wage rate does not get a job. Meaning of unemployment: lack of job. International Labour Organization, when people are without job and they have actually looked for work within the past 4 weeks. Can you define unemployment? Unemployment is a condition of labor market in which the supply of labor is greater than the number of available openings. Kinds of unemployment. First, subjective unemployment caused by physical, mental diseases. Second, objective unemployment, 4 types. A. Seasonal unemployment. B. Cyclical unemployment. C. Structural unemployment. D. Normal unemployment. Other classifications: 1. Open unemployment. 2. Discussed unemployment. 3. Seasonal unemployment. 4. Cyclical unemployment. 5. Educated unemployment. 6. Technological unemployment. 7. Structural unemployment. 8. Underemployment. 9. Casual unemployment. 10. Chronic unemployment. 11. Frictional unemployment. Detail going on. First, open unemployment. It is a situation where in a large section of the labor force does not get a job that may yield them regular income. This type of unemployment can be seen and counted in terms of the number of unemployed persons. The labor force expands at a faster rate than the growth rate of economy. Therefore, all people do not get jobs. Second, discussed unemployment. It is a situation in which more people are doing work than actually required, even if some are withdrawn. Production does not suffer. In other words, it refers to a situation of employment with surplus manpower in which some workers have zero marginal productivity. So their removal will not affect the volume of total production. Overcrowding in agriculture due to rapid growth of population and lack of alternative job opportunities may be cited as the main reasons for discussed unemployment in India. Three, seasonal unemployment. It is unemployment that occurs during certain seasons of the year. In some industries and occupations like agriculture, holiday resorts, ice, factories, etc. Production activities take place only in some seasons. So they offer employment for only a certain period of time in a year. People engaged in such type of activities may remain unemployed during the off season. 4. Cyclical unemployment. It is caused by trade cycles at regular intervals. Generally, capitalist economies are subject to trade cycles. The downswing in businesses activities results in unemployment. Cyclical unemployment is normally a short-run phenomenon. 5. Educated unemployment. Among the educated people, apart from open unemployment, many are underemployed because their qualification does not match the job. 6. Technical unemployment. It is the result of certain changes in the techniques of production which may not warrant much labor. Modern technology being capital intensive requires less labors and contributes to this kind of unemployment. 7. Structural unemployment. This type of unemployment arises due to drastic changes in the economic structure of a country. These changes may affect either the supply of a factor or demand for a factor of production. Structural employment is a natural outcome of economic development and technological advancement and innovation that are taking place rapidly all over the world in every sphere. 8. Underemployment. It is a situation in which people employed contribute less than their capacity to production. In this type of unemployment, people are not gainfully employed. They may be employed either on part-time basis or undertake a job for which less qualification is required. For example, a postgraduate may work as a clerk for which only SSLC is enough. 9. Casual unemployment. When a person is employed on a day-to-day basis, casual unemployment may occur due to short-term contract, shortage of raw materials, fall in demand, change of ownership, etc. 10. Chronic unemployment. If unemployment continues to be a long term features of country, it is called chronic unemployment. Rapid growth of population and inadequate level of economic development on account of malicious circle of poverty are the main causes for chronic unemployment. 11. Frictional unemployment. Is unemployment caused due to improper adjustment between supply of labor and demand for labor. This type of unemployment is due to immobility of labor, lack of correct and timely information, seasonal nature of work, etc. Measurement of unemployment. How to measure the unemployment? First, usual status unemployment, also known as open unemployment or chronic unemployment. This measure estimates the number of persons who remained unemployed for a major part of the year. The measure gives the lowest estimates of unemployment. This concept used to determine the usual activity status of a person as a employed or unemployed or outside the labor force. The persons covered may be classified into those working or available for work in their principal activity sector and subsidiary sector. Second, weekly status unemployment. The estimate measures unemployment with respect to 1 week. A person is said to be unemployed if he is not able to work even for an hour during the survey period. In other words, according to this estimate, a person is said to be employed for the week even if he or she is employed only for a day during that week. 3. Current daily status unemployment measurement. It considers the activity status of a person for each day of the preceding 7 days. The reference period here is a day. If a person did not find work on a day or some days during the survey week, he or she is regarded as unemployed. Normally, if a person works for 4 hours or more during a day, he or she is considered as employed for the whole day. The daily status, unemployment is considered to be a comprehensive measure of unemployment. Causes of unemployment. First, economic dislocation. Second, population or overpopulation. 3, education. 4, social disorganizations. Other causes of unemployment. 1, rapid growth of population and increases in labor force. 2, underdevelopment of the economy. 3, slow growth in the agricultural sector. 4, defective system of education. 5, absence of manpower planning. 6, degeneration of village industries. 7, inappropriate technology. 8, slow growth of industrial sector. 9, immobility of labor. 10, jobless growth. Look at this picture. Effects of unemployment to individuals. First, unable to earn money. Second, unable to pay rent may lead to homelessness. 3, increase to malnutrition. 4, illness, mental stress and loss of self-esteem. 5, leading to depression. To society or social, not using all of the resources, reducing the economy's efficiency. Next, effect on social, political. Civil unrest leads to revolution, particularly totalitarianism. How to prevent unemployment? The important measures to prevent the unemployment is 1, rural works program. 2, agro service centers. 3, crash program for rural employment. 4, national rural employment program. 5, food for work program. Detail going on. First, rural works program. The emphasis under the program was on the construction of civil works of permanent nature, such as rural housing, electrification, construction of roads, to agro service centers. The scheme provided for assistance for self-employment to unemployment graduates and diploma holders in mechanical, agricultural, and allied fields. It aimed to help in establishing workshops, organizing agricultural machinery, and technical services like supply of spare parts, etc. Three, crash program for rural employment. The primary objective of the scheme was to generate additional employment through a network of rural projects. 4. National Rural Employment Program. It was implemented in 1980. It was central sponsored program with 50% central assistance. It aimed at creating community assets for strengthening rural infrastructure. 5. Food for Work program. It was a scheme to use food grains as a payment for work to the persons living below poverty line. Measures to reduce unemployment. Training programs. Employment Guarantee Scheme. Rural Employment Guarantee Program. Liberalization of labor market. Government Employment Program in India. First, Integrated Rural Development Program IRDP. 2. Drought Prone Area Program DPAP. 3. Training for Self-Employment. 4. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. 5. Employment in foreign countries. 6. Self-employment to educated employed youth. 7. Small and cottage industries. 8. Development of organized sector. 9. Employment exchanges. 10. Employment Guarantee Scheme. 11. Employment Assurance Scheme. 12. Prime Minister's Integrated Urban Poverty Eradication Program PMI UPEP. Unemployment and health. Unemployment can be affect health status of people, affect mental health, social well-being, as well as physical health. Role of NERDS to reduce unemployment. To improve health status, to prevent diseases, to promote health, educate the community, implement government program to reduce unemployment. Thank you. Have a nice day.